A prince once gave up everything for love, but not his own. Bhishma made the most impossible promise in history, lifelong celibacy, just so his father could marry the woman he loved. This shocking sacrifice earned him a divine boon, the power to choose when he would die. During the Great War, arrows pierced his body like a pincushion. For 58 days, he lay on this bed of arrows, waiting. But waiting for what? The perfect cosmic moment to leave his body. Here's the heartbreaking part. He fought against his own beloved grandsons because duty to the throne came before everything else. Even as arrows flew from those he loved most, he never wavered. As death approached, Bhishma chose the winter solstice when the sun moves north. Ancient texts say this timing ensures the soul's direct path to higher realms. In his final breath, he shared the deepest spiritual wisdom about Dharma, duty, and the eternal soul. Want to know more about Indian mythology? Hit the follow button and come back at the same time for more.